Welcome to Yummefy. Today we are going to do this delicious Kashmiri Haak. Let's get cooking. Kashmiri Haak. It's from the spinach family. That's what you see here. We keep the stems on. We just trim the edge of the stems. We want to keep the stems here. We have Kashmiri red chillies, a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, and if you'd like to use a little bit of baking soda in that. That's not necessary, or what you call meetha soda, but you could use that if you like. Let's get started.